Boss, anong ano nila? Anong comp na nakikita mo? Come. Papasukin natin to, no? We're gonna let them engage. Ready, Inchap, Dismount sa akin, guys. Dismount sa harap ko. Ready, spread. We brawl this. Meron tayong brawler, guys, Spread. Food sa mga hindi pa nag-food,
sa northwest.
Pakach. Iliad. Wala na. Pakach, perma. Hindi na yata lalaban. Crown pa rin. Nakuha na nila yung gorge.
Hindi pa. Elite
Come. Outpost. Pagka hinabol natin yan at hindi natin masasayang yung oras natin, guys. Hayaan mong pumasok sila. It's okay. Hayaan mo pumasok sila. Lalabasin natin yan. Kunin muna natin to kasi magpapa-points tayo para marami tayong objectives na matapos, alright? Ditang sa isa, ditang sa kabila, please. Kailangan posture up, si Pudge nasa east na. I need someone west.
Dismounted south.
It's okay. I need someone west. Guys, huwag kayo sa gitna, please. Huwag kayo sa gitna. Over the wall tayo.
Nakatingin ako.
Huwag kayo sa gitna, DPS lang side. Ready, defensive lang sa
Two screen sa'yo, yung main zerg niya.
Engage sa'yo sa over the ledge. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the ledge now. Southwest now. Ready to hold, Ready to hold them, Now spread lang konti, Ready to hold, Hold them now. Night armor. Wag lalabas. Night armor. Asan na yung night armor? Wag lalabas. Engage sa'yo ulit, Kung meron pa. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Okay, wala. Pa-cool down tayo. Huwag kayong lalabas. Pa-cool down tayo. Balik tanks. Patula tayong damage doon. Over the wall tayo ulit, guys. North naman. Guys, balik. Kailangan ko ng night helmet ninyo, please.
Delocking.
It's okay. Soak lang tayo. Over the ledge tayo. Southeast, ready. Ready, over the wall tayo, Over the wall tayo. Ready, magbuburol na tayo sa labas, Ready. Labas southeast now. Southeast!
Rollers, come south.
Ba't ganun, guys? Southeast pinapalabas. Southwest lumabas. What? Labas southeast now. Ready, engage tayo, sa harap, Soak muna natin, Ready, Ready to soak, Ready, Pats, Come west! Engage tayo west in 5, 4, 3, deep, 2, 1. Very deep now. Ay, wala yung DPS natin. Na hold. Spread now. We brawl. We push them now. May brawler ba tayo sa likod? Ready, Ready, Pats, Pats now. Keep going southwest. Pats now, guys. Pats, sustain, walang tatakbo. Next natin, engage inside, Inside, guys, inside east side, ready. Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, inside sa crowd now. Nice, brawl now. Okay, boss na sila. Ready for engage again, Ready defensive. Looking. Wala pa. East side tayo. East side sa crown, guys. Looking, engaging. Save me. Okay, east side now. Come east side. Inside us east side, no? Huwag mo naman itulak, Helvetica. Ba't mo tinutulak palayo? Come east side, guys. Southwest, Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Sa crown now. Nice, delete. Now, south now. Brawl everyone. Meron pa engage, Ready. Sabihin nyo, Ditangs, pag nakita nyo yung engage. Pag nakita yung engage. Sa crown now. Keep going. Keep rolling. Walang nag-dead sa atin, di ba? Keep rolling.
Broken na. Patay na.
Okay, balik tayo. After nyo, balik kayo ng balik tayo outpost. Yung hindi naghabol. Let the brawler. Kung wala kayong damage, hindi na maka-engage, di ba?
Hindi na.
Hindi na maka-engage. On ping, guys, meron pa dito. 8.5, guys. 8.5. On the ping. Grabe, 20 million kill fame. Tara, outpost. Come, outpost. Kaya pa outpost, di ba? O ninakaw nila?
Hindi. Pwede pa.
Come, outpost.